What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install EA app on your PC. So firstly you want to open a browser and you're going to search for download EA app. Then what you want to do here is to click on the official site, which is this one from Electronic Arts. Then as you can see you have to download the EA app button right here, so let's click on it. Here you're going to select the operational system that you have. I'm going with Windows because I have Windows. Then you're going to double click on EA app installer. You can customize the setup if you want, so you can change the download location. You can change between creating a desktop shortcut or not. Then what you want to do is to click on let's go, and now as you can see EA app is downloading on our PC. So what we have to do now is to wait for it to install. As you can see EA app is now downloaded on our PC. We can log in with our account or sign in for a new account if you don't have one. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.